This Kimchi refrigerator Samsung HR222 is damaged on condense line, and I cleaned, and dirty condenser and lack of oil in compressor make compressor burn, and it contaminate all condense line and evaporate line and return line and compressor itself. After clean condenser, evaporator and all line, I replaced the compressor. I tried to use old one, but old one is completely dead. And I replaced with the new one, and now I did the vacuum and I checked no leaking in the system, in the closed system. And now after vacuum, I put the freon. Now high side pressure is almost 140, and lower side suction side is almost 0, maybe 2 psi, and the current of compressor is 0.8 ampere, and I put another fan to cool condenser and compressor together. It make more efficient. Yeah, it's much more efficient. Now it is working well, and compressor ampere is almost constant, no up and down. This is Samsung Kimchi fridge front control panel. This is the left side compartment, and it's cool. It's cooling. It's cooling. I think no leak. Already checked many times. It's okay. And right side also cool. Wow, very good. Cool. I think it's complete